Hi, I'm Dawn Williams, and I'm putting out a call for men because I'm compiling a book called The Rebuilt Man. Why am I writing a book called The Rebuilt Man? I have sat across men who were holding their lives together with absolutely nothing. Men who came to me not because they wanted to, but because everything else had already fallen apart. And in those rooms, having those sessions with men, I kept hearing the same thing over and over again, but just in like 100 different ways. And the common theme was that no one had ever showed me how to process my thoughts and feelings. And it really resonated with me that there is a gap, there's something missing for these men. So I know I'm a woman who knows what it's like to be shaped and damaged by a man who wasn't healed. Men need the tools and the language and the permission to be able to deal and process what happened to them so that they can come out and get freedom. If a man doesn't process his emotions, it turns into anger, it turns into resentment, and all the emotions get swallowed up on the inside and they don't know how to process. So I'm not writing this book from anger. In fact, it's the complete opposite. I'm an advocate. I'm an advocate for women who have gone through things that have hurt them and they need healing. And I'm an advocate for a man who's gone through things that need healing. Behind every unhealed man is a boy who needs something he never received. A wound so old, so unnamed, that most men don't even know that it's there. They just know that something is wrong and something is missing. Every 40 seconds, somewhere in the world, a man takes his own life. Not because he didn't want to live, but because he never found the words and the tools to process. He never found the safe space. He never found a single person who said, I see you. You don't have to keep carrying this alone. So the purpose of this book is to create a conversation around what is missing for these men. And this is why I've written this book. This book is not about fixing men. It is faith integrated. It's research and evidence based. The book has something that most books like this are missing, and that is men's stories. Real men, real stories, men from different ages, different cultures, different backgrounds, who have just walked through something and have come out the other side and can tell another man what it was that they did to get through to the other side. The world doesn't need more men just coping. It needs men who are whole and healthy, men who can look at their children in the eyes and know that they have broken the cycle, men who can love without losing themselves or destroying someone else in the process. This book is my contribution to that, to help to break the cycle so we don't lose more men, more dads, more uncles, more granddads. And so this brings me to why I'm talking to you today. I am gathering the insights of over 100 men. Over 40 men have come forward already. I need another 60 or more from all around the world. I want to hear from you. I want your insights. You don't have to have it perfect. I'm not looking for men who've got it all together. I'm looking for a man who knows what it costs to rebuild. A man who has something to say, can offer some insights to another man or another woman who needs to understand men better. So this is a call out for you. If you're listening, I would love your stories. It's just answering 3 simple questions. That's it. 3 simple questions. If you're keen to help out, there is a link. However you've received this, should be a link to the application form. It's just three questions. It will take you 5-10 minutes. I would love your insights. Find the link, or if you can't find the link anywhere, come and find me, Dawn Williams. I wrote The Rebuilt Woman. The Rebuilt Woman was on how to help women rebuild. Now this is the next book in the Rebuilt series, The Rebuilt Man. Love to connect. I would love you to help. Let's save some men from some pain and some grief, and let's help rebuild them.